Hey everyone, this week we're going to be taking a look at 5 van conversions that we consider our top 5 of all time. So let's dive in. First up is Outside Van's Paramount build. One of the highlights is the altitude bed, which can be raised and lowered at the push of a button. It's a versatile design that converts the space into a spacious sleeping area or a bunk bed set up for your friends. When fully raised, it transforms into a comfortable lounge area. The van also features removable cots that attach to the outdoor utility ladders. They provide a space to remove gear and hang out outside of the van, neatly folding away without interfering with the bed. The kitchen is compact and easily accessible, equipped with a deep stainless steel sink, slide-out induction cooktop, 12-volt fridge, and overhead microwave. On the other side, there's a special shower that offers unique functionality to dry out wet gear. This build includes reupholstered seats, a brake controller, two-way radio for communication, and an upgraded sound system with hidden subwoofers. The exterior lights have an integrated GPS system, adjusting their pattern based on the speed of the vehicle. Outside Van has truly pushed the boundaries of innovation with this build. Let us know in the comments what you think of these incredible features. Up next is another build done by Outside Van, and it is equally incredible. This monster is built on a dually 170 extended sprinter with 4-wheel drive. Outside Van specializes in custom builds, and each one is unique. This particular build is ideal for adventurous travelers, especially during hunting trips. Inside, the interior is modular, allowing you to modify the seating based on the number of people traveling with you. The leather bench seat provides a comfortable lookout through the side door. The kitchen space features an induction cooktop, sink, and a dual zone refrigerator with separate fridge-freezer compartments. The bed and lounge space is incredible. It can be configured in 3 different ways. First, as a lounge area with 2 leather couches and an ample wall storage. Second, as a bunk bed set up for additional sleeping space. And third, as a full-size queen bed for solo travelers or couples. The garage space is designed for adventurers. It has a shower pan with a waterproof wall liner and a custom rack to hold 2 Pelican cases. The van also offers abundant storage options, including tracks for custom mounting and removable stuff sacks. The power system includes a 630 amp hour lithium battery, a 2000 watt inverter, and a second alternator for charging. The heating system's hydronic S-bar that provides both warmth and hot water. The van is equipped with a custom sound system, exterior lighting, and even a scouting platform with a hammock for relaxation. Outside Van went above and beyond with this build, offering ultimate off-grid living and impressive features. Let us know what you think of this build. Next, we're diving into an incredible box truck conversion. This unique build has a fascinating story behind it, so let's check it out. Originally, the plan was to get a smaller van, but upon moving to Canada, Roberts and Ash realized the limitations. When they stumbled upon the idea of a box truck, this particular one caught their eye for only $6,000 Canadian, and they knew they had to take it. Inside, the conversion process was a learning experience. They say they made some mistakes along the way, but it turned out to be a fun journey. The interior features unique elements that make it truly special. The kitchen is complete with a customized countertop, a deep sink, and a portable stove. They also have ample storage space for all their cooking essentials. The living area is thoughtfully designed with a couch that converts into a bed, and they also have a hidden bed area for their dog's comfort. Moving to the back, there's a spacious bathroom with a full-size shower. It's an area where they put a lot of thought into. And then there's the bedroom, complete with a starlit ceiling, custom wall designs, and storage compartments. The exterior of the box truck has a stealthy and simple appearance, allowing them to blend in wherever they go. And underneath the couch, there's an impressive electric setup, including a 400 amp hour lithium battery, solar panels, and a powerful inverter. Their box truck conversion has been an amazing adventure for them. It's a cozy and functional home on wheels that allows them to explore freely. Steph introduces us to Rita, her impressive Sprinter van conversion. Let's check out the stunning exterior. Rita is equipped with an awning and a whopping 400 watts of solar panels on the roof. It's a powerhouse on wheels, providing ample energy for all her needs. The 4-season tires, rear camera, and spare tire rack ensure she's always ready for any adventure. Now let's step inside this incredible living space. The swivel seat at the front is a clever addition, allowing Steph to create a social area by adding a table. With a lagoon system, she can set up the table wherever she wants, accommodating up to 4 or 5 people. It's a versatile space that doubles as a comfortable workspace. Her couch flips down to provide nearly a double-sized sleeping area, and underneath the bed there's ample storage space for camping gear, making it ideal for Steph's adventurous lifestyle. Next, we enter the kitchen, where Steph demonstrates her clever storage solutions. The compact kitchen has space for pots and pans and even a hidden toilet. She's installed a 2-gallon water tank, ensuring she can use the sink in the winter when the main water supply is off. The propane stove and hidden propane tank offer a convenient cooking option that doesn't drain her battery. In the bathroom, Steph reveals a smart shower setup. By using a special curtain system, she can shower right inside the van without splashing water everywhere. It's a thoughtful design that combines functionality and privacy. It's evident that this Sprinter van conversion has everything Steph needs for her van life journey. Meet Tracy and Steve, the adventurous couple behind this incredible Schooly conversion. Get ready to explore the unique and cozy living space. Step inside their home on wheels, where they've transformed an IKEA sofa into a comfortable bed that pulls out into a double size. The homemade wooden latches add a rustic touch, securing their cleverly designed drawers. And check out the stunning blackout blinds that Tracy created herself. As former sailors, Tracy and Steve know the importance of staying warm. That's why they installed a mini wood stove surrounded by a beautiful copper plate and stone hearth. Their dinette area provides a cozy spot for meals with ample storage beneath the seats. Now let's explore their impressive kitchen. Tracy's love for cooking shines through in this well-equipped space. From the Italian cappuccino maker to the tiled backsplash, every detail has been carefully chosen. The deep drawers and clever dividers ensure efficient organization, while the pendant lights create a warm ambiance. Moving towards the back of the bus, we enter their comfortable bedroom. With a queen-size bed and plenty of storage, it's a peaceful retreat. And just across from the bedroom, they've created a fully tiled shower and a sit-down rainfall shower head. It's a luxurious oasis on the road. Tracy and Steve have truly mastered the art of small space living, from the creative storage solutions to the attention and detail around every corner. This Schooly is a testament to their adventurous spirit. That's it for this week. If you're looking for more amazing builds, check out some of the videos appearing on the end screen now.